Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone.
My name is Yogesh.
My name is Chetan.
We are studying in 7th class
In Sri Sarda Vidyanilayam,
Visakhapatnam.
Andhra Pradesh. Our project name is Smoke Detector. It will detect the smokes, and for the problem statement is because of the smoke they are getting asthma patients, and they are getting lung cancers, etc. diseases. Because of that, the people are dying, and they are keeping no smoking board, because of their bad attitude they are only doing smoking at that places. Now my teammate will explain materials required.
Team
Buzzer,
buzzer, some jumper wires, 9-hole battery, smoke detecting, 9 holes
clip.
clip. Let us see my project.
The, sm- the smoke detector is detecting the smoke beside us, so the buzzer will make sounds. So this is our project.
Thank you.